Okay, let's start. Explain about the center program. Good afternoon, everybody. This is a video to explain about the center program, how to order through the center program. Center program merit is we can order the 7 different people together, one order. And also we can divide up the 3 days. So I'm going to explain later about that. But before we get in, you need a preparation. First of all, you're supposed to get into your website and go to the lineage and open your lineage to decide which person you're going to put. Okay. Which person you're going to put in the point. Otherwise, it's difficult to distinct later. So let's go my website, lineage. Go to the lineage, you can see the people's name and ID, not password. So you can see, good things from here, open here is that you can do the copy and paste in this website about the ID. We can put the point with just ID. We don't need a password to put a point. So let me get some example. Okay, here, just example, there's 3 people. 1, 2, 3, divide up the 3 people. Okay, here we go. So this is a center program. So first of all, you're supposed to change the language. Default is a Korean, so check the English, and everything becomes English. So put the center ID and the center password, which you're supposed to get from the center leader or your sponsor. Okay. With the ID and the password, you get in. So go to sales registration. So this page, and go to the register. So in here, today it's actually May 2nd. So, but this is a Korean date, I mean the Korean time. So as you see, now it's after 12 afternoon. So in Korea, it's already May 3rd. So that's why it's come out May 3rd. And the sales date, you see, we can choose May 1st to the May 4th. The 3 days, because May 3rd, the Sunday, we cannot put the sales on Sunday. So you can choose among 3 days all the time. Okay, go to the group 3 lineage and first person. I'll do the copy and put here, Control B and return. Oh no, so you need to click. Okay, so and choose sales date. Let's say, okay, I want to choose sales date first. So this is the first to the fourth. Okay, so and go to the search. You can choose from here by alphabetical order, but before you choose, look at here. There is a single item or multiple item. So if you want to choose multiple item for the one person, for example, 2, 3 item, 4 item, put the multiple item, select. And you can check here first and go to the OK. OK, I'm going to do 7 solution, ACK special, and AC solution 3. and OK. Those three is in here. And you can change the quantity, maybe 2. You can see the change. Okay. And if you want to put more people, add a member here. And add a member, go to the next member. Copy. And paste. Control B and click. You can click anywhere and it's come out. Just check the information is correct or not. So change the sales date. May 3rd is Sunday. You cannot do so May 2nd. And go to the search. And here, somehow you can see or sold out, which area. And since we live in the New York, New Jersey area, so if it's a New Jersey, you cannot buy. But for example, I sold out, it's a Georgia, so you can still buy the Georgia. As I mentioned, alphabetical order, some product it say like Atomy something. For example, okay, I want to buy the scrubber. But if you try to find the scrubber, S, you cannot find the scrubber because it said Atomy scrubber. So Atomy scrubber. Yeah, here we go, Atomy scrubbers. So sometimes you're supposed to think, okay, what the name exactly? That's just scrubber or Atomy scrubber. Okay, so just let's say the ordered the scrubber 1, and go to the next person, 3rd person, and put here. Okay, 3rd person, copy, and put Control B, paste, and click. Yeah. So put the horse. So you can choose different date like this. And put, for example, absolute skincare set. Reason why I emphasize this, we can use different date is, for example, you have a item you're supposed to buy. This is a 200,000 PB. But you have already one side more than 300,000 PB, and the other side you have just like a 200,000 PB. In order to get a pay, you need just like a 100,000 PB. So if you put just 200,000 PB on the same day, so the PB is just gone. But if you can divide up 1,000 in one day, 100,000 is one day, and the other 100,000 is another day, you can keep that the other 100,000 even though you get the pay after you get the pay. So if you don't know the meaning, please ask your sponsor. But this is a very useful way you can utilize, you can keep your PB, especially in the beginning, you don't have so much PB coming up. You can utilize the PB very well. And as I mentioned, if you forgot to open your site about the lineage, you can still open here, view lineage, go to view lineage. This site also ID and password. This ID and password, it should be your ID and your password. This ID, password, right? That's my ID and my password. So the same way, you can check your downline, but for example, you can get, all right. You can get the people in here, for example. But point is, you cannot use copy and paste in here. So you support to write down on the paper and put on there. That you support to do. That's why I prefer to open the lineage before from the website, my own website. That's way I can use it for more accuracy. Okay. So divide up 3 days. You can do the same days, of course, but you can just divide up. That's the point. And you see the total PB, item subtotal, it's a before tax. And after tax, when you put your where you wanna deliver, they're gonna calculate tax according to the place. And the address you wanna deliver, you put everything, the information you need to put as you buy some product. It's the same way. And go to the next. And now you can see, okay, each person, how much point and how much it's gonna be. That's the delivery charge is nothing because more than $150. Actually, right now it's $90 because of the promotional time. So sales tax and the total is around $397.54. And I recommend you take a picture. What sometimes you forget what you order. And this, if you make a record, you can remember. You can reflect. Okay, what did you buy before? And you may not surprise. Sometimes you receive the product, you forget you order. Okay. So and you should and this one you can put the check or not. It doesn't matter. It's you're gonna receive the shipping slip together, but this one, if you check, there is a price in there. If you don't check, there's no price. Okay, and most of the people change the credit card. Choose your credit card and your information, and just make a payment. So that's the thing. It's very easy, but very effective if you know how to order using this website. So if you have a question, please talk to your sponsor or talk to me maybe. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.